Dr. Terry Collins. He's originally from New Zealand. Dr. Collins is a pioneer of sustainability science at Carnegie Mellon. He is the Teresa Hines Professor of Green Chemistry and the Director of the Institute for Green Science at Carnegie Mellon. Dr. Collins is a pioneer who created the first university course in green chemistry. He was the first scientist invited to advise on the Global Plastics Treaty. He's an entrepreneur working towards a plastic-free future.
But could you give us a little context on, briefly, why we in Allegheny County should care about the shell plant?
I can give a point on that question. Some years ago, we studied the legacy wells in the eastern side of the state, 100,000 of them. Everyone that was looked at was leaking. And then, of course, they try to close it off, and over time, whatever they did breaks down. And if you were looking from outer space at the United States, focusing on the vibrational spectra of methane, we would light up like a very bright light. We are major contributors to global warming because of that. It's not just Beaver County or any of the other counties we've heard talked about. It's really the whole world that we're impacting.
The shell plant contributes a large number of fine particulate emissions. So we know, for example, that the shell plant contributes enough particles that enter Allegheny County. It also affects even more people who live in Beaver County in proximity to the plant. So can you talk about why the petrochemical system is not sustainable?
I'd like to start also with an optimistic story, if I may. So I teach chemistry and sustainability at Carnegie Mellon University, and what I ask the students to do is to read epic books that are appropriate to sustainability. The one thing I can say about us is we're a healthy species in the sense of the brilliance of the students. First of all, their concern, their reactions, and what they hope for that they can contribute to fixing the problems. Humans used to be very fertile. And it's like your kidneys. You have a more than you need activity, but you arrive at a point when suddenly it crashes and it doesn't work anymore. So 1 in 6 couples today cannot have a child the old-fashioned way. The sperm count's asymptotically approaching 0 by 2045. That's the young children being born today, the young males. There's also all sorts of complications with female reproductive health. This is being caused by chemical pollution. If we don't solve these problems, our civilization dies. When it comes to endocrine disruption, our species is going to be massively curtailed. If we can fix plastics, if we can do the right thing, there's incredible hope. And we can. We saw it in the movie. The answer's right there. People who control the money now are blocking this happening, and they're suffocating the institutions of the United States and the world that ought to be addressing these issues on steroids. Thank you.